Hello kids, I am your teacher Mrs. Deepa Tan. Today we are going to learn the last three cursive capital alphabets: cursive capital X, cursive capital Y, cursive capital Z. Now you have learned all the alphabets, so now you will be feeling very easy and enjoying how to write the cursive patterns of alphabets. Now let's see how to write X, Y and Z. Cursive capital X. X sounds X, Z, X for Xmas tree. Now let's see, it's very easy how to write. The same way we have to follow. Keep your slate pen or pencil little closer to the red line. Now from there, slowly forming a curve, go up, touch the red line and a little half circle way, come down, touch the second blue line and give a little curve upwards in this way. Now you know how to write C, children? Now what you have to do, leave a little space, again keep your pencil or a slate pen on the red line and you have to write C, but you have to touch the line of X. This is very easy. Come on, again let's do. Little closer to the red line, slowly go up, form a half circle way, come down, touch the second blue line and give a little upper curve. Okay, now leave a little space, you have to write C, red line to second blue line, you know how to write C. Now from the red line, form a C, but you have to keep in mind that you have to touch the before line and then come down. See, it's very easy. Now what children will do, they know how to write X, but only one point is there to remember. When you are writing X, the children will try in this way, but the space which is left, that will become wrong. That is not the correct X. You have to remember to touch this line when you are forming C. Just touch this line, then only your X will be formed. This is the clue point what you have to remember when you are writing cursive capital X. This is the right way. Now let's see how to form X on slate. X is very easy. Now how you will form? The same thing you have to remember. Just keep your slate pen little closer to the red line. Now forming a little curve, touch the red line and form a half circle in this way, slightly touch the white line and go up. Now leave a little space. Now you have to remember that you have to touch this curve. Now you have to write C, red line to second white line. Only the clue is you have to touch this circle. Again let's see. Come down, that's the second white line and give a little upper curve. Now leave a little space. From red line to second white line, write C. It's very easy. Only the clue you have to remember. Now let's see how to write on handwriting supplementary book. The same way, see the instruction, give it turn and go in this way and write C. Let's trace on this same way, little closer to the red line. Tracing work you have to do very nicely, so you'll be able to write when you're attempting on your own. This way, come down, give a curve. Now from there, write C. Now let's try. Little closer to the red line, go up, little curve, do a half circle and give a curve to that. Leave a little space. Now you have to remember to touch the other half, form C. It's very easy. See? Just remember the clues when you are writing X. This is cursive capital Y. Y sounds here. Y for yo-yo. You are playing with this yo-yo. Just keep winding in your finger and just rolling it up. Yes, now let's see how to form Y. Y is also very easy. You have already formed and already learned cursive capital U. Now the same thing, just a little difference is there between U and Y. Same pattern we have to follow. Keep little closer to the red line. Slowly go up, touch the red line. Give a curve. Come down, touch the second blue line. Now give a curve. Again go up, touch the red line. Now from there to the red line, what you have to do? On the same line, come down, touch the red line down way and give a turn in this way. Okay, now let's see once again. It's very easy. Closer to the red line, go up, touch the red line, come down straight, touch the blue line, give a curve, again go up, touch the red line. Now you have to stop for there for a moment. Now the same way, come down, touch the touch the red line, give a curve and go up. It's very easy. See, you have formed and learned how to write U. In this way, I am lifting my hand so that you will be able to see. You are forming this U. Now, this same way we have to write Y. What you have to do? You have to come down. You have to not turn to form U. You have to go straight down and give a turn. This will form U, but this will form Y. Okay, children. Now let's see how to write Y on slate. Y is very easy. The same how you are forming U, but a little long turn you have to give. The same way, keep the slate pen closer to the red line. First you form the cursive capital U, what you have done before. Now come down, touch the red line and give a small turn. Again come down, second line, again go up, touch the red line. Now from there come down straight, touch the red line and give a curve. You can use come down and give a curve. Okay, now let's see how to do in handwriting supplementary book. See, for Y also instruction is given. Go up with a curve, come down, again go up. Now from there come down and give a turn. Let's form and trace it properly. Go up with a turn. From there, come directly down and give a curve. Same way you have done, you have written U. So when you are forming U, then come down, touch the red line and give a curve. U and Y are mostly the same, but you have to remember when you are forming Y, come down, touch the red line and give a turn. Okay, the same way. Just keep your pencil closer to the red line. Slowly go up. Now with a turn, come down, form U. Now when you have reached the upper red line, remember now you have to go down on the same line, directly touch the red line and give a curve. Same way, remember first you form U. When you are coming in to the red line, now stop there, same line, come down, touch the red line and give a curve. It's very easy. First you have to form U. Now remember you have to go down directly to the red line and give a turn. It's very easy, children. This is the last alphabet, cursive capital Z. It's very easy. Just a simple sleeping and standing line and a straight line strokes we have to use. Let's see how to form. Keep your pencil or slate pen on the red line. Form a sleeping line. Then form a slanting line, touch the first blue line. Now from there you have to give a little curve, come down straight, touch the red line and go in this way. How you have formed the curve in Y, the same way. Come on, let's do once again. On the red line, draw a sleeping line. Then from there, draw a slanting line, touch the first blue line. Little curve way, come down directly, touch the red line and give a curve in this way. It's very easy, children. You have already learned in nursery how to form Z. You were forming in this way. You were going sleeping line, slanting line and sleeping line. This was in nursery you have learned. But in cursive, just you have to go down and give a curve. This is the right way. This in nursery you have studied. But about the cursive pattern, you have to just give a curve in this way. Okay, children? Now let's see how to form Z on slate. Z, you will form it very easy to do. Now, keep your slate pen on the red line, on the first red line. Now, you have to draw a sleeping line. Stop over there. Now, what you have to do? Form a slanting line, touch the first white line. I'm just removing my hand so that it will become clear for you. Sleeping line, slanting line, touch the white line, first white line. Now from there a little curve, come down straight, touch the red line and go up. It's very easy. Sleeping line, slanting line, touch the first white line. From there with a curve, come down, touch the red line and go up. The alphabet is very easy to form. Okay, now let's see how to do in handwriting supplementary book. See, for Z also instruction is given. Sleeping line, standing line and a curve. Let's trace. Here in the book, a little curve way they have written the slanting line. That is also correct, and what I have showed you forming a sleeping line, that is also correct. Follow this book and trace according to this book. Little curve way they have done the sleeping line. Okay, now same way you can do over here. Keep your pencil on the red line, on sleeping line, slanting line, touch the first black line. Now with little curve way, come down directly, touch the red line and go up. It's very easy. Sleeping line, slanting line, curve way, go down, touch the red line. It's very easy. Now you will be able to easily form any cursive alphabets. Yeah, na children? Okay, children. Now you have learned all the 26 alphabets of cursive writing. I think you might have all have enjoyed and you'll be very much eager to learn the altogether new pattern of alphabets. Thank you, children.